What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I've been feeling a little bit dumb right now. I've got 78k from selling my Kawhi Leonard. It went for 80k or 85 with a 10% discount for the auctioning bid. I don't even think that should be a thing. So you already know. I wish I got 100k for it, but nope. I'm an idiot, but let's go. I'm gonna go see if there's any good deals on the auction block, so I just don't want to really waste my money, because if I don't pull an elite and I can't make money back. 60. Ain't looking too good. Brook Lopez. Never tried him. Ooh, Anthony Davis. Just looking. Andrew Wiggins. Paul George. Jimmy Butler. DJ Augustine. Andrew Drummond. John Rondo. Yeah, I'm just gonna spend all my money on packs. I don't even care anymore. It's just a game. It's just a game. It's a game that I want to win. Well, Denzel Valentine. It's cool, I guess. Dirk now. It's I'm really downing myself right now. I should have the confidence that I can do it, but I ain't looking so good, because considering that I pulled a Kawhi Leonard from the last video. Yeah. Last pack. Yeah, I ain't looking too good, guys. Nikola Jokic. Just gonna pull my set. And I might as well open up a beginner. No, I ain't gonna open up a beginner. Actually, why not? I don't even have enough for a beginner pack. Well, that's all this video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let's use that button, boost it up my people. Boosted up my shooting lineup. I'm gonna have to get Nick Young out of there. A bunch of other people. Other than that, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys, if you like, dislike content, and yeah, bye.